how to play Darkest Days without spending any money. To stay free to play, you must be consistent. Complete all your daily missions and weekly missions. These provide the same materials and currency that other players buy with real money. It just takes a little more time and effort. Check the in-game shop for free daily crates. You can also watch a few reward ads each day to get free stamina refills or extra gems. It's a small price to pay for a big boost to your resources. Always participate in special events. These are designed to be completed by everyone regardless of the spending. They often give out top-tier epic gear that is usually locked behind a paywall. Save your gems for the moments. Survival is about skill, not just money. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days F2P tips.